Your motorcycle exhaust system. It sounds good and looks great, and you'll want to keep it that way. It's an important part of your engine's operating system, which means it's subjected to extreme heat, corrosive gases, oxygen and water, just to name a few things. Under these conditions, unprotected metal parts will definitely rust. So when you're putting your bike away in storage or washing it, it's obviously a good idea to keep water and moisture out of the exhaust system. To do this, you can buy specialized muffler bungs, which could set you back about 20 bucks. Or here's a quick tip. A drinkable yogurt bottle fits a stock muffler in the Sportster amazingly well. You'll need 2 of them, 1 for each muffler. However, if you have aftermarket pipes or a larger diameter muffler, you may need something a little bigger. You'll probably have to experiment to figure out what size fits best. You can leave them as is, spray paint them a bright color, or quickly cover them with colored tape. The idea is to make them stand out, so you remember to remove them before you take it for a ride. I'm going to use the tape. First, I'm going to cut the label off. You don't have to, but that's what I'm going to do. But you know what? For this, I don't think I need these, so I'm taking them off. Now for the red tape. You can connect them together with some red string or ribbon, something visual, something bright. Inexpensive and quick. I hope this video sparks some inspiration and helps you with your DIY project.